Roberts from over40alpha.com, kettlebellshred.com, and today I've got an awesome kettlebell bodyweight workout for you guys. Metabolic. This is gonna burn fat during and after while we hold on to that lean muscle and get us athletic. But before we start, if you need kettlebells, like these ones here, these are Audit kettlebells. I've got Funk certified Audit kettlebells, good packages, beginner packages, intermediate packages, advanced packages with 3 kettlebells each. Perfect for these type of workouts, like the one I'm gonna show you today, which is an 8 exercise circuit. You're doing each exercise for 30 seconds of work followed by 30 seconds rest, one after the other. We're doing upper body, we're doing lower body, we're doing explosiveness, we're doing core, everything you need to get a full body workout in. Plus, this is definitely gonna challenge you as well. So I'm gonna show you this follow along right now. Like I said, guys, click the link below to grab your Audit kettlebells. But you know what? You probably wanna see this workout first, then we'll talk afterwards. I'll see you after this workout. Yeah! So let's start off with this workout. First exercise, kettlebell goblet squats. We're gonna do this in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So remember, this is round number 1. So we're gonna go down and back up. So we're gonna try to, this is round 1. So I'm moving a little slow to start off with, but then I'm gonna speed it up. Because I want you to go, as soon as you're down, up. As soon as you're down, you're right back up. I've got a light weight here. I could probably go heavier too. But this is the speed I want you to go at. Exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. Core tight, good work. So that's the speed I want you to go at. Next exercise are push-ups. Let's step back here. Deep through your nose, out through your mouth. Again, we want to get as many reps as possible. So we want to keep that heart rate up. But during those rest periods like this, we want to focus on getting recovery, getting our oxygen in. So pretend you have a rose, back in, rose, and back in. You're going to need to use that in a few exercises. Believe you that. Believe me you. Believe you me. Whatever. All right, here we go. Push-ups. I want you to move fast here, okay? You may not get full range of motion, but we're definitely going to be pumping some blood into the chest. Keep the elbows close to the body. Core tight. Lead with those. Lead with your hips. Here we go. 2. Good work. Wow. Shake that off. Next exercise, alternating single arm swings. We're gonna go with the 20 kilos for this one. So, first exercise, lower body, goblet squats, core. Second exercise, upper body push-ups, core. Third exercise, we're gonna get a little bit more explosive with lower body explosive movement, posterior chain, hip hinge, alternating swings, okay? Here we go. We'll do it from the side. So what I like to do is look to the side opposite my arm. Use that other arm to help explode. Squeeze the glutes to the top. Good. You see, I'm back and hinging the hips. I'm not letting the arms lift. That's the lifting from the explosiveness. Keep going. Again, good work. Good work. By the way, if you guys need kettlebells on it, I've got Funk certified on it kettlebells. Good packages, intermediate, beginner, and of course advanced. Next exercise are burpees. Deep through your nose, out through your mouth. Now with these burpees, I don't want you to go all the way down. We've already done push-ups, so we don't need to continue to do that. This is about explosiveness and speed. Sorry, I've got a little lift because I'm tired. Here we go. Down. Good. Back fast, up fast. Pretend someone's trying to grab your legs. Core tight. Keep breathing. I'm gonna stop talking so I can focus. It's tiring. Keep going. Jump straight up. Core tight. Come on, guys, keep going. Push. Push. Good work. Jeez. Kettlebells always kill me. I mean, kettlebells, what am I talking about? Let's go. Alternating cleans. Alternating cleans. Keep your nose out to your mouth. One more time. Good. I'm gonna come with the 16s here. Alternating cleans. Here we go. So clean, down. So we're gonna do dead cleans, okay? So from a deadlift. So I'm gonna actually get my 20s. There we go. Move fast. I want you to hip hinge at the back. So don't just bend over, hip hinge. Use your hips and glutes to get that kettlebell up. Clean with your elbows tight to the body. Good work. What's the list say? It says mountain climbers. The exercise I hate the most. But of course, you have to do those exercises that you don't like the most in order to get better at them. There's a reason why I don't like this exercise, because I'm probably not that great at it. So in order for me to get better, I had to keep doing it. That's the mindset you have to have. Don't try to make the exercise easier, make yourself better. So let's get this done. Okay, cheer me on if you're just watching this too. Core tight. Keep going. Oh, good work. Wow. Oh, we are almost there. Snatches, alternating snatches. So again, that last exercise we did before with the cleans, we're taking it to the next level. Now we're snatching all the way up. Let me catch my breath here, guys. Again. One more time. Good. You can do some diaphragmatical breathing too if you know how to do that. But this is good. Okay. Snatch. All the way. Good. All the way up. Good. Now with the snatch, again, lower body. Explode. Try to throw the kettlebell through the ceiling. When you do that, that's when you know you're focusing on lower body. You see my feet I'm almost jumping because they're using the whole body to explode up. One more work exercise, guys. That's gonna be the goblet reverse lunge. Tough, man, this is tough, I'm not gonna lie to you. Especially when you're talking. Doesn't matter though, not making excuses. Gotta get it done no matter what. Here we go. 10 seconds. Again, I want you to move fast with the reverse lunge, okay? I'm gonna do this from the side. Here we go. Alternating reverse lunge. Alternating push off. Core tight, okay? You gotta keep the core tight so you don't fall side to side. Those obliques are gonna be coming into play. Inhale on the way up, exhale on the way. Inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. Move fast, last exercise, let's go. Keep those elbows tight. Good work. Good job, guys, amazing. Thank you so much for being here with me at this workout. Now, what I want you to do is rest for 1 minute and then repeat this for 2 to 3 rounds. As you can see, I'm sweating, it's hot, I'm out of breath, but I burn calories, and not only am I gonna burn calories during, I'm gonna burn calories after. Hope you guys like that workout. I'll see you in a second. Hey guys, Funk Roberts. I hope you guys enjoyed that workout. As you can see, 1 kettlebell is all you need to get a workout in. And again, if you guys need some kettlebells, grab those On It kettlebells, click the link, the I, or the link below, and it'll take you to a page, a Funk certified page for On It that'll get you packages, the perfect packages, because you'll get beginner, you'll get intermediate or advanced packages of 3 kettlebells each. They're inexpensive, and then once you get them, you can work out with me. You can do these type of workouts that'll get you into awesome shape. I hope you enjoyed that workout. Upper, lower, explosiveness, core, we did everything there, and I hope you enjoyed that. Now, if you like that workout, please like this, share this, leave your comments below. You know, I love creating these workouts specifically for you because you guys love when I create these workouts. So it's a win-win situation for both. Guys, if you want a program, a 28-day program using a single kettlebell and doing follow-along workouts with myself, then click the link here or in the description and get my kettlebell shred workout program, man. It's awesome, it's amazing. And again, guys, thank you so much for being on this channel. You guys are awesome. I hope you enjoyed that workout. Please comment below, let me know, but I'd rather you actually do the workout and then comment. That way we know we're on the same page. I'm Funk Roberts. Now it's your turn to get it done.